Hello everyone, I'm Tuhin Banik and I'm the founder and director of Thatware. The thing is, SEO industry have came a lot way since the last few decades and we have seen a lot of strategies working or not working. The thing is, the industry was really going into a cookie cutting strategy and there was not much of the reactive strategy what was existing in place. This is when I founded Thatware and I have felt that there is an urgent need of proactive strategies with the help of artificial intelligence, machine learning, natural language processing, and all sorts of advanced SEO strategies that might help up with the proactive journey. So here is the thing, Google almost updates 5,000 algorithms in a single year. That rounds up to near about 14 algorithms in a single day. So this might be pretty much tedious for any SEO expert to work on with the changing algorithm updates, and this is where proactive strategies can make the things happen. And this is where we at Thatware use the fields of sciences from semantic engineering, information retrieval, machine learning, artificial intelligence, natural language processing, and much more for optimizing through the cutting edge SEO strategies. Because what we believe is that the future of the SEO lies with the help of AI, where artificial intelligence can be used to enhance the contents, enhance the user intent, enhance the customer journey decision processing, and also most importantly, we can easily optimize the content for the intent of the users. Now for doing those, there are a bunch of fields of sciences appearing from natural language processing that we use for optimizing the content, doing A/B testing with the comparators, and also utilizing a range of patented algorithms which helps us through the process in optimizing the real-time contenting structure, optimizing the automated process, and making sure that the entire process is completely proactive and we are up to date with all of the changing algorithms. This is where we, the team at Thatware, felt that it is always wiser to invest on advanced SEO rather than just cookie cutting SEO strategies, and enhancing SEO with the help of artificial intelligence and advanced SEO is the ultimate agenda which have become our day-to-day life's motto. Once again, I look forward to you coming on board with us, because we have series of opportunities, we have series of strategies that we can help you with your campaign along the way with a wonderful journey by which you can increase your user journey, customer retention, traffic value, and also a range of KPIs which you can see improving every single day. Thank you. I hope this can give you a glimpse of the things which we are doing here at Thatware. Thank you.